Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by protecting data and confirming the problem. Back up photos and contacts to cloud or PC so you can work safely. Once done, remove the case and screen protector. Dirt or pressure points often cause dead spots. You should next clean the screen and edges with a microfiber cloth and isopropyl wipe. Finally, reboot into safe mode or run the phone's touchscreen diagnostic to separate app-related issues from hardware faults, so you know which path to follow. Now you'll address software causes because they're often easiest to fix. Update the OS and all apps. Outdated firmware can misinterpret touch input. Make sure to uninstall or disable any recent apps that coincided with the issue. Next, use calibration tools or accessibility touch accommodations to adjust sensitivity. This retrains the software mapping. If the problem persists, clear the cache partition to remove corrupted system data. And as a last resort, perform a finish with hardware verification because many touch faults are physical. Power off and inspect the charging port, connectors, and display flex cable for corrosion or loose contacts. A gentle reset can restore function. If you're comfortable, test with a replacement screen assembly or try a known good display to confirm. Make sure to visit an authorized repair shop for complex replacements. If things go wrong, test in safe mode. Use an external input device or temporarily remove the screen protector to isolate the cause before paying for parts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.